This guy and I are exact opposites. He's on a tiny little scooter and I'm on a 1000cc Super Sport, baby. That's a cop. That was a frickin' cop. Things are dope. What are they called? EK hatches or something? Oh! Ah! Y'all gonna go? Get up there. Come on now. Get. In case you were wondering why I'm recording right now, I'm recording in case I do any hilariously dumb shit. I am not generally an advocate of dumb shit, but I am an advocate of hilariously dumb shit. So, this here squid missile is my only chance of getting to class on time because I left about 10 minutes late for a 40-minute drive. So I got on my CBR1000RR and we're going to try to save that 10 minutes back. Not that it's super important that I get to class on time, this just made for a good excuse to ride the yellow bike. Because I hardly have time to ride for fun anymore, so I hardly ever ride it. But I want to ride it. So many fat bugs on my freaking helmet. Ugh. Well, you know what? This is a real nice boat. That's a real nice boat you got there. When this roundabout was under construction, my detour was such a pain in the ass. I added like 10 minutes to my drive to school. But thankfully this roundabout is now complete. You see me, don't you? And it only takes about 35 minutes probably. Except today I'm trying to do it in like 25. I have now made it to campus. Just gotta make my way to class. And I probably won't make it on time because the lights here take forever to change. Absolutely forever. You will see, I will probably sit here at this light for 5 minutes. Well, in case you're wondering, no, I did not make it to class on time. It's not the good old bike's fault though, it's definitely my fault. I left late. This stuff used to be $5 a gallon. Good old premium, ain't never used nothing less. Shit used to be $5 a gallon, now it's only $4.20. I think that's what it said, right? $4.29, basically $4.30. I'll tell you what, your bike sure does need to be loud around here because these dumbass kids walk around with headphones in constantly and don't listen or look for shit. They will just walk out in the middle of the road, nowhere near the crosswalks or anything. But at least when I'm on the bike, they hear me coming. Well, thank you for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. because I make silly random moto vlogs like this as often as I get the chance. Don't ask me for more. I'm busy.